Alright, let's just get straight to the point. I'm not here to tell you any boring textbook definition. I'm here to show you that math, especially geometry, has more edges than your favorite K-drama plot twist. Lines and angles? They are not just shapes. They are weapons used in geometry, engineering, gaming. And now if you still think that this is cool stuff, then you are playing checkers and geometry is playing chess. So, if you're ready to not sleep on maths and see the power behind every road, every perfect piece of life, sit tight. Class is officially running and I'm running the boat today. Well, good morning everyone. I'm Vachi and today I'm going to tell you more about lines and angles. So let's just get started. So here is what we are going to learn in this video today. Basic terms and definition, types of angles, linear pair and vertically opposite angles. So here is our first, basic terms and definition. I know you must have heard of all these terms. I'm just going to recapitulate. Points. What is point? A location with no size or shape. It has no dimension. Next is line, a straight path extending endlessly. That is called line. And next comes line segment. What is line segment? Line segment is a part of line which has two endpoints. And then there is ray. It is also a part of line, but it has one endpoint. Next come intersecting lines. See, these are two straight lines. They meet at a common point which is O. So they will be called intersecting lines. See here it is also written lines that meet at a point. See these two lines are meeting at a common point O. The last is parallel lines. Lines that never meet and are equidistant. Means parallel lines do not have any common point like intersecting lines. And they are equidistant. Means equal distance from both the lines. Okay. Next is types of angles. Well, if an angle is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree, it would be called acute angle. And now, what if an angle is exactly 90 degree? Well, that would be called right angle. And if an angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, it would be called obtuse angle. And an angle which is exactly 180 degree would be called straight angle. And if an angle is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree would be called reflex angle. So till here we have learnt about basic terms in definition and types of angles. Next is a linear pair. What is linear pair? A line in which a ray stands, it would be linear pair. Means these and this sum would be 180 degree. This is what linear pair is. Now, here comes some of the questions which we are going to do today. Here we have to find the values of stars in it. See, you can hear here. So we have to find the values of star in it. So here is our first question. You can see it is a linear pair, right? This is a line, this is a ray, and these both are supplementary. So of course it's a linear pair. How are we gonna take the value of star? We know that this let it be named as A and this let it be named as B. So if A, we know that A plus B equals to 180 degree. So how are we gonna do this? 105 plus, let's take it as X equals to 180 degree, and then 180 minus 105 equals to X, and our value will be 75 degree. Next one is this. Oh, it is watermelon. See, I love watermelon. But here we have to take out the value of star. But you can see this is again a linear pair. And we can see this is a perpendicular. Means it is forming 90 degree here. Then we can again use the same. So 90 plus, take it as a X. X equals to 180. Then our value is going to be 90 degree. Next is we have to take out the value of this star. We know this is forming a circle and circle total come 360 degrees. So can't we write it as 120 plus let's take the star value x. X equals to 360 degrees. And when we'll subtract 120 from 360, we'll get 240 degrees. Here comes our last question. Oh, pizza. Well, I love pizza again. But here we have to take the value of star. See, again it is a circle and we know the circle equals to 360 degrees. So here two parts values are given and we have to find the value of third part. So we're gonna add the first two parts and we're gonna write x equals to 360 degrees. And now the value which we'll get would be 73 degrees. So I think it is clear that how to solve question from linear pair and types of angles. Here comes our last topic of today, which is vertically opposite angle. Well, these angles are opposite to each other, okay, in relation to the vertex. Now let me tell you in simple word. For example, these two are straight line, okay, and these intersect at a common point. So the angle which is being formed here, let's name it A, and angle which is formed here, let's name it D, would be equal. So A equals to D, and angle which is formed here, let's name it B, and here C, B equals to C. This is what a vertically opposite angle means. Okay. Now, let's recapitulate what all we have studied.